turn on the LFM mode in fake JBL Extreme. As you can see, this is the fake one. The first thing that you can do is, yeah, opening the back cover. There is this clip right here, and also um, this screw that you need to unscrew it before opening it up. So after the cover is off, you can work with it more easily. So after this thing goes off, you can unscrew this little cover right here by opening this thing, and as you can see, you have can you say, you have a little nuts right there, and just unscrew. There is actually three of them, but for the simplicity I will just show you how to remove one. So in the back cover now is off. Now in the front cover there is only clipping, so you can use a flat screwdriver and pop it up like that, and it's popped with the screw, like as you can see here. Now you can access the main driver of the fake GPX right here. There is just a simple diagram right here. It's just a board with three cables, the battery which is red. Here is the board. If you I hope I show it clearly. So this is the Bluetooth module and Bluetooth chip, and it goes to this capacitor right here. Please note that this is not the same port that you will have in every fake GBL, but you can, it's basically it. The component is pretty similar, but probably different capacitor, different resistor, something like that. So in this fake port you have this chip, then goes right here this capacitor. After that it's split into two capacitor right here, just call it T junction. So these two capacitor here, and every single one of this capacitor fit one of the amps. So there is two amps. This is I believe it's 10 watts, I think. So this thing goes here, here, and there. So what we can do, remember, the capacitor is bypass the low frequency. So if we want the low frequency mode, we will need to bypass the capacitor. So what we will do is bypass the capacitor by placing a cable and just connect it directly to here. Because don't touch the resistor, because it will make this amp didn't know what to output. So just bypass from here to here. That's enough. This thing make me uncomfortable, if I want to be honest. There we go, that will do it. First goes in, and the second one. Whoa, what is that? Is that a problem? No problem, I think. Hope so. And the last one goes here. Hopefully that's enough. Let's try to turn it on. As you can see, it works. Look at this. Fake cannot do this. It's working, okay? You can do more than that. For example, this is a 60-watt amplifier and I want to connect it to the fake board. So now I want this fake JBL board to be in the input, the Bluetooth input of this amplifier. Sorry, I have wrong connection before. Now I will test it out one more time. Wait, where is the? Oh, there you go. Hopefully this one is alright. And let's see. Wow, that is something. As you can see, it's working. Let's try a song, shall we? As you can see, it's working. Want to check it out if this legit? Okay, fine. Here is the maximum volume. Oh no, it's the minimum volume. There you go, maximum volume. Oh shit. Yeah, this thing cannot take 100% volume because it's a bit broken. So that's how you upgrade your JBL. Hope you learn something new, and I will show you in the next video. See ya.